Hi, and welcome back to our course. I'm your SAP Guru. In this session, we will be looking into the creation of material master, that is part of master data. The core and foundational data about a materials is stored in material master. It can be its description, base unit of measure, gross weight, and etc. So the T code that is used to create the material master is MM01, or we can go as well via T menu path. Either we can enter the T code over here, or we can go into logistics, materials management, materials master, material, create general, MM01. There we go. So plenty of the materials based on their type can be categorized under materials type. It can be raw material, semi-finished, food, pipeline, finished goods, etc. So and this is a number range field where it can be internal or external. So it depends on the configuration whether the material number range is to be maintained over here or it will come automatically. This is the industry sector. Let's go ahead and select the views. On the basis of the view, plenty of the data of a material is divided. From the materials master point of view, we are responsible for basic data 1 view, 2 purchasing. We sometimes need to add the details for other views as well, such as MRP 1 view. Then we need to add for plant data storage. Accounting view is for financial, but integration is too close of materials management and FI. So you can select that as well. So let's go ahead. We need to give the org details over here. So I am entering the company code. All these details are pre-maintained. There we have it. The first view that we are seeing is basic data 1 view. We need to add the description over here as it is raw material. So I am creating one raw material kind of material. So maybe it is iron rods, their base unit of measure, maybe it is each. They can be any kind of unit. It can be kg, liter, roll, each. It depends only on your material. Plenty of the materials based on the characteristics can be defined under one category as materials group. So let's give its material group, that is L002. We have defined it for raw material. So let's go ahead. Next we have is old material number. This field is used when we would like to add the old material number that could be from the non-SAP system as well. It may be used for the identification or while finding out the material based on its old material number as well. This division is the part of SD consultant. Next is explant material status. This is the field that we used to when we would like to block the material from purchase, then we would use this field. Then we have gross weight. Gross weight is 12, net weight is 10, weight unit is kg. The details are not important. Let's go to base unit 2. Description is static, that is why it will be fetched in all the views automatically. No other details we would like to add over here. Let's go to purchasing. See, most of the details that are repeated will be auto populated, so you do not need to worry about entering again and again. Over here, as you can see, description, base unit of measure, material group are automatically added. We can also add the purchasing group, that is the or a group of buyers who would be responsible for the activities of this material. Then we have the same plant special material status. If we can flag this batch management, if these materials are maintained in batch, that is you can take the example of medicines, as medicines a lot or a batch, they are maintained in a batch. So we can flag this if we would like to manage it in batch. This automatic PO is that automatic PO creation is to be allowed or not. So you would like to flag or it should remain on flag. It depends on the configuration. So next we have reminders over here, that is if we would like to send the reminders to vendor for delivering material on time. So these fields can be used, and mostly we do them with the help of a BAP consultant as well. When we would like to send the notifications or message to the to the vendors. Next we have GR processing time in days, that is how many days it would take for the GR processing of this material to be done, that is quality and other processes takes place after goods receiving a material, so that should be maintained over here. Then we have source list, that is if we would like to assign a fixed vendor for this material, then this source list field should be flagged, otherwise we can keep it as unflagged. Next we have MRP1 maybe. So MRP type we can give it as maybe time phased, forecast, reorder point, we are giving no planning. No worries. Let's enter if there are any more mandatory fields. No, they are fine. Then we have plant. This is the plant view, that is storage bin field is there, that is exactly where this material would be stored. This is batch management again. All these fields kind of are repeated. We can move ahead. Same with the second plant storage view. Let's enter. Then we are in accounting view. So valuation classes we have maintained, and price control we have entered as we that is it keeps on changing or moving average price, or it can be standard as well, that we are keeping the price as standard. So price unit, let's enter. See, we need to enter the standard price as we have maintained, so let's say 100. Okay, accounting we do, it's done. We need to save it. Let's check our material is saved. So our material 366296060 is created, and that's how a material master or a material is created. Let's check or display the material by using the T code MM03 and paste it. Iron rods, yes, that's the one. What all views you would like to see? I'm not selecting all. Let's go ahead. Let's enter. There we go. All the details which we added are over here, and we are in display mode. So that's how we do it. If you would like to create more detail, if you would like to add more details to it or more fields, you can obviously go again into the MM01 and you can display it. The extension, or that means if a material is created in a plant A and it is not created or maintained for plant B, then we would like to add this material for plant B, then this process is called extension of a material to another plant. For the same as well, the T code which is used is MM01. So that's how we do it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and comment down what all videos you would like us to create, and a healthy criticism is always welcome. Take care. Bye bye.